Ron's 2003 T-Bird. We're replacing coil packs. Quick, fairly quick and easy. Here's how you do it. Alright, so first order of business when you're replacing the coil packs on one of these Jaguar equipped T-Birds is there's coil cover on either side, retained by 6 little bolts, and they go on these studs here, these little dowels to line them. And each coil has its own bolt. You just pop them out and away we go. So to remove the coil pack, you undo the electric connector and you loosen this one bolt that holds it in. I already loosened it with the ratchet, but just kind of wanted to demo it. All 4 new packs are in. Easy, easy peasy. Now we take and put our cover back. Line them up over the dowels. Come on. Easy. Easy. There we go. And we put our bolts back. Passenger side done. On to the driver's side, which you would think may be harder, but it's not, with the exception of the dipstick tube, of course. But we'll work around that. No problemo. Got the cover off here on the driver's side. This lower bolt back here next to the brake booster, you won't be able to get a quarter drive ratchet and a socket in there. So if you have like a 7mm or a 932 ratcheting wrench, it will be your savior. It'll save you a ton of time. You can also use a regular wrench, but you'll be there forever. Everything is back together. Gonna fire it up, clear the code, and away we go. All right. Just got done clearing this DTC right now. It's P0355. We are good to go. I love these T-Birds. Just like that, Ron's T-Bird, ready to ride. Love these cars.